Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience, and it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favourite reviews, very inspiring. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. We are glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.